Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility. You must be 18 plus, with a valid government ID and active mobile number. Once confirmed, gather a clear ID photo, a selfie for verification, and proof of address. Keep roughly 50 ready if branch fee applies. Open the BDO app or head to a branch and select the BDO Pay Card option. This begins the formal process. I'll explain why each item matters. ID proves identity, selfie confirms you, and address supports activation and security. Now complete the core steps. Enter your personal details carefully: name, birthdate, address, email, and mobile, because mismatches delay approval. Next, upload your ID and selfie. Follow crop guides and liveness prompts so automated checks pass. If you're at a branch, present originals while staff scans. Choose the card variant and link it to your mobile wallet or account, then set a 6-8-digit PIN. This secures transactions. Make sure to review every screen before submitting to avoid rework. Finish by activating the card after you receive the confirmation SMS or email. Activation usually completes within minutes, but can take up to 48 hours. Once active, load funds through branch deposit, online transfer, or an authorized partner. Keep your receipt as proof. If the application is rejected, don't panic. Recheck all ID fields for exact matches, redo the selfie ensuring good lighting and no masks, and contact BDO support with your reference number. Following these steps,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.